birds here. They say inside one bird nest, they found they rent money because the birds will hide your stuff inside of the nest. So I want to see what's in this. I'm definitely taking it down. Not coming out. Want me to blow it? With your bare hands.
Let me see the
Ew.
blower.
Huh?
Let me see the blower.
Disgusting. I gotta get a bucket of water and soap so we can scrub that up there. We didn't find no rent money. Nothing hidden. They always say something can be hidden in the bird nest because the birds put something in it. But, you know, our birds ain't take nothing and hide it.